I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. So that is an affirmation that I've learned from Bob Proctor. If some of you guys follow any of the personal development motivation stuff, he's very big in the scene. But you know, that actually hit home to me recently with this COVID-19 problem. I've also read a bunch of books to tell you focus on one thing, but this recently I focused on one thing, and that was real estate investment. I actually put almost every single business I had to the side so I can focus purely on real estate investment, and it was great, but right now there is a little bit of a pause on that. Usually I have an Amazon sales business running, an eBay sales business running, and a couple of other side gigs going, but with this one I really did go full bore, full focus. And it's a great learning experience because I put all my eggs in one basket and it was going really, really well. But now that basket is on pause. So I'm going to be going back to my smaller baskets and putting those all on the same level playing field. And that's kind of my reason why that I'm really interested in Salesvision. I've always wanted to be able to have a work from home business. I've always wanted to be able to provide training for other people. That's my biggest why, really, is just to help other people. And it's always been that way. If any of you guys know me, I've always wanted to learn something so that I could teach other people. I come from a very poor background, and I didn't have very many mentors. I had to seek it all out for myself. And I've done that now, and I've put a lot of learning together, and I've put a lot of it into action, and I want to be able to share that with my friends and family, my world. My goal when I was younger, I've been doing little hustles since I was little, buying candy from the store and then reselling it. Obviously, my margins would have been larger if I had more money to have like a Costco membership or something, but it is what it is. I hustled, sold candy out of my backpack in school and so on. So I've always been an entrepreneur, and I've always wanted to be able to work from home, because what I saw with entrepreneurs when I was growing up is they had a great life. They actually took vacations. My family didn't even know what a vacation was, except for what was on a TV show. And so I wanted to live a life where I could provide the opportunity to take my family on vacations. They worked very hard, it's just we come from a culture of lack, and I've learned about a culture of abundance, and there's so much abundance out there, and I want to share that with the world because it is all a mindset, and mindset is a huge thing. So, one of my biggest reasons why I'm doing this is I want to share this with people. I want people to grow. I want people to be able to be happy. And it's not all about the money either. One of the big things I always wanted to have, because my family was so supportive growing up, they didn't have much money, but we helped each other out. We'd live at one person's house, another, so on. But one thing I always wanted to do growing up was have a nice, huge house. So that way, when the holidays come, we could all be at one house and be able to fit in the kitchen, enjoy cooking the turkey on Thanksgiving, etc. Have a big, giant Christmas tree to celebrate for Christmas and all of those things. And that's really my big reason why I'm doing this. I want to be able to provide an opportunity for other people to have that as well. Whether you come from a culture of lack or a culture of abundance, working from home, developing a home-based business, it really does help you live a different lifestyle, happy, healthy, abundant. So again, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have multiple sources of income on a continuous basis and an increasing amount. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me on in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.